Sweet Pea Farm NY, and today we're going to show you how to make these super cool bracelets or ankle bracelets. Okay, so this is how you make the thing that makes the bracelets. So you just trace a DVD or a CD, and you make a hole in the middle, and then you make 8 notches directly across from it. You need 7 embroidery floss colors. Doesn't matter what they are, and these are what I chose.
Yep. Okay, then we cut them about how long?
As long as your wrist. So
times 3. You need it 3 times the length you want it. So this is how long we did ours, and we're going to cut the other 5, and then we'll get started. Then what are we doing?
We put the knot in the thing.
In the center?
Yeah, in the center. And then
and you just thread 1 in each notch, and you're going to end up with what?
A bracelet.
No,
well, no.
One notch is going to be what?
One notch is going to be empty, and that's where you move another string.
We'll show you how to get these laced in here, and then Chloe will show you.
So this is how you start making the bracelet. So you count 3 up from the notch, and then
The empty notch.
yeah, the empty one. And then you take that 3rd one, and then you put it in the notch, and then you turn it clockwise, and then you keep on counting up 3. Just like that.
All right, so you're going to keep going and going until you have the bracelet as long as you want it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is a fun craft because you can do it anywhere, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can do it in the car, you could do it on the couch. So this is a finished product. It comes out like a very nice little round woven bracelet or ankle bracelet.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and comment any questions or down below.